Welcome to the 5th episode, the 5 keys to resilience. Each of these 5 elements, which include sleep, hydration and nutrition, strength training, connection, and purpose, all play a crucial role in building and maintaining resilience. Here we'll have an in-depth look and explore how each contribute to resilience. Number 1, sleep, the foundation of recovery and renewal. Sleep is essential for physical and mental restoration. It allows the body to repair tissues, synthesize proteins, and release growth hormones, all of which are vital for recovery and resilience. Adequate sleep enhances cognitive function such as memory, concentration, and problem-solving skills. These are crucial for adapting to new challenges and making informed decisions in stressful situations. Sleep also helps regulate emotions by processing and integrating emotional experiences, reducing stress, and improving mood stability. This emotional balance is key to maintaining resilience in the face of adversity. Number 2, hydration and nutrition, fueling the body and the mind. Proper hydration and nutrition provide the essential nutrients and energy required for optimal bodily functions, including brain activity, muscle performance, and immune response. Certain nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins, play a role in reducing inflammation and stress. A well-nourished body is better equipped to handle stress and recover from challenges. Hydration and balanced nutrition enhance mental clarity and alertness, enabling quicker and more effective responses to stressors. Number 3, strength training, building physical and mental fortitude. Strength training increases muscle mass, bone density, and overall physical strength, reducing the risk of injury and enhancing physical resilience. The discipline and perseverance required in strength training builds mental toughness. Overcoming physical challenges in training translates to greater confidence and resilience in facing life's challenges. Physical activity, including strength training, releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters and stress reducers. Regular exercise helps maintain a positive outlook and reduces anxiety. Number 4, connection, the power of social support. Strong social connections provide emotional support, reducing feelings of isolation and loneliness. This support network is crucial for coping with stress and recovering from setbacks. Connections with others allows for the sharing of experiences and perspectives, fostering a sense of belonging and understanding. This both strengthens resilience in individuals involved. Social networks provide access to resources, advice, and assistance, which can be invaluable in times of need. Number 5, purpose, guiding resilience through meaning. A clear sense of purpose provides motivation and direction, guiding actions and decisions. It helps individuals stay focused on their goals, even in the face of adversity. Purpose gives meaning to experiences, contributing to a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. This intrinsic motivation enhances resilience by fostering a positive outlook on life. Living in alignment with one's values and purpose creates inner harmony and reduces internal conflicts, making it easier to navigate challenges with integrity and resilience. Together, these 5 elements create a holistic framework for resilience, By prioritizing sleep, maintaining proper hydration and nutrition, engaging in strength training, fostering connections, and living with purpose, individuals can build a robust foundation for resilience. This comprehensive approach ensures that both the body and the mind are equipped to handle life's challenges with strength and adaptability. Thank you guys again for listening. I do appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed this content, please comment, subscribe, and follow. Until next time, with love and light, Sue.